Hello everyone, the chart guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders, we narrowed down what the most sought after information was, and we created this course, Entry and Exit Strategies. It's over 5 hours in length, and we go over different signals that the charts tell us for when to buy and when to sell. If you are the kind of trader that is still looking at charts and not realizing what it is trying to tell you, still feeling a little bit overwhelmed, this course is designed to alleviate that uncertainty. So the course outline, we're going to go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, recognizing the different indicators signaling bullish and bearish entries, being able to identify support and resistance levels, poor entries where traders make mistakes and how to avoid them, exit target, knowing where to sell your positions, where to place stop losses to keep those losses minimal, my personal preparations, how I get ready for the trading day, and then piecing it all together, looking back at everything we just learned and applying it to the real world. As a bonus, we'll also look at an intro to finding entries and exits with patterns, and you'll recognize these patterns on all kinds of time frames throughout the stock world, so certainly beneficial to be able to trade off of those as well. So we hope you will check out this course, and again, we feel it will build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge that experience will build off of and send you on the right direction to making more profitable trades. Checking in on SPY daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So a clear bearish reversal candlestick today. We closed below the upper Bollinger Band, so that is back as resistance. And after 3 days above it, whenever you close below the upper Bollinger Band after breakout mode, that does indicate that consolidation is more likely, increase in volume, and a bearish reversal doji. So if we break the low of today, 225.76, we will look to confirm this bearish reversal candlestick. And at this point, we're just looking for normal, healthy consolidation like we saw back in mid-November. We do have the Fed coming up on Wednesday, so I would not be surprised to see another consolidation day after such a big move last week to lock in some of that profit, maybe a little bit of uncertainty with the Fed approaching. And then very curious to what the reaction is going to be. A hike is priced in my opinion, so I don't think there's going to be any surprise if that does occur. The weekly time frame, not much to see besides the upper Bollinger Band support here at this point. 225.28 is that level, and we can see that would line up 225.28 down with right around the low of Friday, so that would be a support to watch there as well. So if we close below the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame, that will indicate potential consolidation into next week, but just one trading day already locked in, 4 more to go, so we have a long way to go before this candlestick shapes up on the weekly time frame. Checking in with SPY on the 5-minute time frame, and it became clear that there was consolidation coming today. After we hit a new all-time high, the bears stepped in, and even though it wasn't a lot of bear volume at all, the price action was certainly very bearish. And once we got a new low of the day, we knew right then and there that it was a lot more likely than not that we formed a bearish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame today. We also checked in and saw IWM was even weaker. IWM broke the new low of the day before SPY did. You can see the big spike in bear volume and a lot weaker than SPY was, but it seemed like SPY was following along, and that gave us a little glimpse as to what to expect as well. So we had lower highs and lower lows. We were playing puts today. I personally played some puts. I would have liked to have swung them. They expired Wednesday, so a little bit more high risk, high reward with that play expiring so soon. But after I saw this support down here, look at how many times we tested this support on SPY. 225.90 is the level to watch tomorrow. We bounced off of it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did close just below it here, but a quick recovery. We'll count that as 6. So pretty much 6 holds of 225.90 support before a bullish end of the day. So if we lose 225.90 tomorrow morning, that will show me some indication that the weakness is continuing. The hourly, we lost the 20-period moving average as support. It's now acting as resistance. It's going to begin leveling out and then descending, and we'll see if it drives the price down with it or if the bulls are going to be able to recover that level. So one more day before we've got the Fed Wednesday. I don't think it's going to be action-packed, but I do believe further consolidation could be more likely than not, and that's pretty much what the doji on the daily time frame is telling us. So we'll check back in. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.